brings coming. I know the brings coming. Know the brings coming. Brings coming.
So hi, Mr. Volker.
Oh yeah.
Would you tell us something about yourself, please?
Well, myself, I'm 1 year and 3 months now in Dubai, working for IKEA, managing the new IKEA store in Jebel Ali. Before, lived 6 months in Thailand, doing only sports, taking time off. Before that, lived in the Netherlands, Russia, Germany, and China. So been around a bit, and currently here in Dubai.
We heard you're doing some triathlon, yeah? Fastest triathlete in the amateur in the Ironman Dubai?
Yeah, trying. Fastest one on the bike.
Yeah.
Slowest one in the swim. I got into triathlon 4 years ago, or into sports. Before that was mostly doing the triathlon between cigarettes, partying and clubbing and drinking. But now since 4 years now in sports, and got totally addicted to the sports, and absolutely love it, especially the long distances. So the one or the other Ironman is in the belt already.
Are you planning to be a pro soon, or?
I'm way too old for that.
Too old for that?
I'm turning 37, so if I would have wanted to become pro, I should have done that maybe 10 years ago or 15 years ago. But no.
Alright, would you advise some kids what they're gonna do in triathlon or cycling?
What I think my advice, it's not only for kids, I think it's for all people that ask me like, oh, how do you train, and what coach you have and what training plan. Just do what you like, do what you love, and put the passion in it. I don't have a coach, I don't have a training plan, I don't do any structured training or any specific sessions. If I wake up in the morning and I feel like I want to go running, I go running. If I feel like I want to go riding, I go riding. So just enjoy what you do, and you will get good at it.
You want to advise Zwift as well to the others, especially this moment or the crisis?
Yeah, absolutely. I hated Zwift or indoor riding last year. During the summer, I think I used my trainer twice the whole summer. But now, when we were forced to use it, you get into it, and maybe after a week, putting a bit of more hours into Zwift, I can really say it's great fun, especially for shorter rides, because within 1 hour you can get a really nice and quick and hard session done. But if you want to do 1 hour outdoors, you need to, depending on where you live, get your bike in the car, get changed and everything. It just takes so much time. So especially for the efficiency, I really can say Zwift's great.
Can you explain us about your bike?
Yes, that is my S-Works Tarmac SL6 disc. It's a 2020 model, which was an absolute bargain, because I got it almost brand new off the internet for less than half of the price, because somebody had to sell it quickly. So I was very happy to find it. It's basically a stock model with the Robles CLX50 wheels, Dura ASTI 2. I'm running a 5236 chain sync. And the only thing I really changed was the saddle, where I don't really like the pointy one, so I moved to the S-Works Power, plus the handlebars. which I put more narrower ones on, because the old ones were a 44, and this one is a 40, the Aeroflies that come also on the bench. And I run a shorter stem, which is Trigon, which is a Taiwanese company, or Thailand, but I'm not so sure, and in 90. And then to add a little bit of bling, I thought if you are in Dubai, it's not so easy to find something unique, so I thought, okay, I'll have to do it myself. So I got some gold sheets and applied for the S-Works logo in hours and hours of work at home. You can still very much see that I did it myself, but it's yeah. So I think I have the only gold-plated S-Works in Dubai. It doesn't add a lot of weight, so that is good. But no, the bike rides beautifully, very springy, amazing when you go up hills, when you push the pedals down. So I can say I'm very, very happy with it, and I hope I'll enjoy a lot of rides up and down Jebel Days with it.
All right, again, Mr. Volker, thank you very much for coming in, and if you need help, man, I'm always here. I'm gonna support you on this one. Cheers.
Cool. Thanks, Josh.